This is Math Minutes with Majan Minds, where we are reviewing skills you need to know for success in grade 12. Another question here we have with the definition of the derivative in it. So I'm going to write down what I have for the definition of the derivative. It is this. And I'm going to compare, so first of all, I'm going to write that this is equal to the derivative. Alright, so now I'm going to compare what I have to what's up here. Well, first of all, let's ask this question. These are x's right here. There's an x right there and an x right there. Do you see those x's up here in the top? They are located right there and right there. Now they're slightly out of order, but what do you notice about them? They're both a -2. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write here, I'm going to plug in those -2's. F of -2 plus h minus f of -2 divided by h is going to equal the derivative at -2. So I just stuck -2 in everywhere here on both sides. But now if we compare, we'll notice that this piece is here in the back and this piece is here in the front, which means it's kind of backwards of what we want it to be. Well, there's a method for dealing with that. 3 minus 5 is equal to -2. But what if we switch them around? What if we would really like it to be 5 minus 3? No problem. It just means this is going to be the opposite symbol. So over here, if I want to flip the location of these two, I can do that. I can just go like this. The limit as h approaches 0. Now I'm going to flip these two. F of -2. So I'm putting this piece in the front, leaving the minus where it is, and putting this piece in the back. So f of -2 plus h. I'm not changing anything on the denominator, so that's an h. Well, what is that going to do? What did it do when I switched the order? It changed the sign over here, so that's going to change the sign of this guy from positive to negative. And now we're going to look up here and see that our answer is sitting right there. So let me just repeat what I did. I started with the definition of the derivative given on your formula sheet, and then I changed it on both sides in order to make it look like that guy up there, and that guy up there then equals this piece. If you found this video useful, go ahead and subscribe in the top left, and then head on over to majanminds.com to check out more videos and resources.